Hello Vishwa.
Yeah, hi.
Welcome to Impact Hour and thank you so much for accepting to do this. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Vishwa. I'm coming from Sanjeev Nagar. I'm done hotel management. Then now I'm volunteering in Moganam and Bamboo Center based on bamboo foods.
How did you find Mohanam?
Mohanam.
Yeah, since when are you associated with Mohanam?
It's a big story. It's a connection between when I'm kindergarten. I'm studying in Moganam. It's a kindergarten. I'm the first batch of 2004. That is my life journey started there in kindergarten.
Okay. How did you find Mohanam? How did you end up coming to the kindergarten school? Is it through your grandparents or through your parents?
Yeah, my mom working in Lovely. That time itself I know everything.
Okay. So mom was working
in
Lively. Okay.
With that column and all.
Oh.
Embroidering like these things.
Okay. What? So what is your first memory as a kid? As a kid, what do you remember first about Mohanam?
I enjoyed in activities like the childhood time.
So do you still have the friends from your kindergarten?
Yeah. I have still now itself in the Moganam campus.
Who are all those people?
Yeah, Bharati.
Okay.
That's one person.
So that's how many years? More than 20 years of friendship?
Yeah.
Wow. So you have like 20 years of journey with some people in Mohanam.
Yeah.
So what was your schedule in your childhood with Mohanam? What time did you come? What did you do?
Actually, I'm attending the camp, summer camps, and weekly once I'm coming here to attend the drumming circle before Corona.
Okay.
That Corona make me to come here to stay, work, everything continuously.
So that made you actually more regular.
Yeah, more regular here.
And
I'm so happy to work here. I'm learning good things.
Okay. Awesome. What do you do now at Mohanam? As a volunteer, what are your responsibilities?
Yeah, my responsibility, I'm creating bamboo foods and researching and producing also. I'm creating like bamboo foods like bamboo tea.
What are the bamboo foods that you're working on?
Yeah, I'm working on bamboo foods like bamboo kombucha, bamboo tea, bamboo dosa mix, bamboo biscuits, bamboo energy ball. Then also some dried leaves for selling like vetrilai, murungai, like that.
Wow.
Some of the leaves, some of the fruits also, like tomato, like that.
That's awesome. So can you tell me a little bit about Balu and Rajuveni and your experience with them?
Balu home is beside my home itself. Before, when I'm studying, I'm not coming to Moganam and all. My mom only working. My mom said, go to Moganam, you learn something there. Balu also told me, I'm not taking that important things and all. Balu said to go there, here and there, do some activities in Moganam, go and learn some drawings, that and all. I'm not listening that and all. But now I'm coming here to learn everything. I'm realizing that things and all while I'm coming here now.
And since when do you know them? From 20 years?
Yeah, while I'm studying. Because Balu also is beside my home.
So what did you get from Mohanam? Which money cannot buy.
Yeah, good knowledge, good person, Then happiness, communication things, communication skill, training a good leader.
Your answers are coming in rhythm, so I'm just letting it be. After every few seconds, you're giving one amazing input, you know. That's wonderful. And why are you there with Mohanam? Like, I know you're, as you mentioned, you would have learned a lot of things. It's people, it's communication, and you're saying that you're trained to be a leader here. So, but what is that one thing that keeps you in Mohanam? What is your... Because we are all here for one reason.
Yeah.
We all have our own reasons.
Yeah. Because actually in my home, when I'm in the home, I'm just roaming here and there, wasting the time with the friends and doing bad things and all. While I'm coming here, I'm really feeling I'm good. That's the main thing. I'm not going here and there. I'm staying here, working. Then I'm doing here is a good things. That's it.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. Tell me some of your best memories with Mohanam. Like, what are the memories?
Memories means...
one of my best memory with you is, for example, when we all went to Thiru for the Mahashivratri event, sitting with everybody, spending, the Mahashivratri with everyone, and we all laughed so much, we all talked so much, we celebrated so much. So I think that was one of the very, very memorable events, and I got to know all of you that day as people more closely. So like that with Mohanam.
That even times and all. While conducting in Mohanam, even times, that program times, we're going out of state to program, that times and all.
So you've gone out of state also, for example?
We gone to... forgot the name. Now we're going to locally like Tiruchi, Madurai, like that.
Okay.
We recently going to program it.
So you love that there are events and everything happening here?
Yeah,
okay.
I love it.
Okay. So who's helping you out with all the activities and making the powders?
Yeah, one of the women in women's group.
Okay.
Is the lady. Name is Gana Mani.
Okay.
Helping me to grinding the powder, picking the leaves.
And also, she knows how to use the solar dryer?
Yeah, she knows.
Okay.
Solar dryer to dry the leaves.
Okay. So, how many years is she working in Mohanam from? Can you ask her?
Yeah, she working since 8 years.
8 years?
Yeah.
8 years. And... is there anything you want to share lastly with the viewers or to the Mohanam team, or is there anything?
Lifelong I will going to work here. That's my main dream. I'm a good leader to become here. Yeah, that's it.
That's a lot. That's a lot.
Yeah.
You
Before Corona, I'm working in Gujarat. That COVID time, I'm coming back to home. That's a good opportunities to work here to Mohanam. That's a good opportunities. Then I'm simply, before I'm going to hotel, I'm not learning much lot and all. I'm roaming here and there only. That's it. When I'm coming to Mohanam, I'm learning new things about bamboo and all. It's the first time in my life doing that is.
Awesome. Yeah. The fact that you have said that you're always going to be here for Mohanam for lifetime, you know, that saying itself is a lot. And thank you so much for, talking. I know that you were nervous in the beginning and you were trying to fade it away. But I think it was one of my favorite interviews with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.